I've been having fun coming up with some of these new belt buckle designs. Now, this particular group is from some cut nails that I had left over from another project. I was just curious about what I could do with these. And this is good because the material cost in each of these belt buckles is far less than $1. Cut nails come in different lengths, and you can find them at some of the big box stores. Now, for the widest selection, I like Moth Nail Company. You can check out their online catalog. Now, these are some of the cut nail shapes that I've come up with, and this was before attaching them to the steel plate for the belt buckle. Here I'm using propane with the swirl head torch, heating up the nail until it gets red hot, and then begin forming it. I keep this particular pair of needle nose just for these occasions when I know that I'm going to be getting the needle nose close to the flame. Now, it may appear that I'm getting my hand too close to the flame, but trust me, I'm keeping my hand a safe distance from the flame. If you prefer, you may want to wear a heavy leather glove. Here I'm using the oxygen acetylene torch, and for this, I've cut the flame way down. Since acetylene is much hotter than propane, if I'm not careful, I'll just burn through one of these nails. When you see the nail getting yellow hot, that means it's getting close to melting. Pull the flame away just for an instant, and the metal will return to red hot. Now, these are simple designs, but it does give you an idea of what can be done in just a few minutes. Here's a simple twist. With a little practice, you can do double twists, reverse twists, and combinations. For a creative exercise, just buy a box and see what you can come up with.